Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Uckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Thursday, May the 11th. News yesterday was no movement on the political nonsense. Markets were relatively unchanged once again. No new intraday highs, so that is a bit of news across the board yesterday. But we did see a new record close in the NDX. The NDX was up 8 points, record close, now totaling 17% in 2017 alone. Looking at the other markets, the S&P closed at 2,400, so that's that March 1st peak. A full V recovery, now we're targeting 2,475, another 3% higher, looking at that measured move target. The Dow is actually down 33, back below the 21,000 level. The mover of the day was crude oil. Crude oil up 3.5% yesterday. The biggest bounce since November 30th when OPEC announced the production cut. So a nice surge there yesterday, closing around 47.50, up $1.75. Gold still can't find a hold. It was up $3 at $12.19, $12.26 high, but gave up those early gains. Keep an eye on the $12.25 support from last week as a pivot to look at on a weekly basis. So where do these markets stand here on Thursday morning? Well, right now the stock indexes are a bit lower. We're down 7 in the S&P right now. We're down 20 in the NDX, and we're down 50 in the Dow, down about 0.25% across the board. Crude oil continuing to move higher. An amazing key reversal turn that we saw last Friday, 43.75 low, and then a higher close, and we've been building on that since. So we're up to 48 right now for the first time in more than a week. So crude has followed through on that reversal. We're up about 50 cents here this morning. Gold right now getting a little bit more firm, up $4, $12.23. Again, keep an eye on that $12.25 level. The low for this week so far is $12.14. Other markets to pay attention to, the euro currency also reversed on this week and is below the 109 level as the dollar is starting to gain some strength and pushing on that psychological 100. Snapchat came out with their earnings yesterday just for fun, and it's down 20% after a loss of $2.2 billion for the quarter. So that IPO, came out at 17, first traded at 24, back to where it started. So to summarize, stock futures are lower right now. We're down 7 in the S&P, down 20 in the NDX, and down 50 in the Dow. Alan Uckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.